Hi guys, welcome back. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It will really help us out. Today we're making a nice pen neck. They're like a large pen neck, and we're doing them with a chicken breast, red peppers, mushroom in a pink sauce. Idea to do a whole series of pasta dishes, and I'll try and highlight the best ones and the most popular ones that we had back in the day. So also, if you have any requests for different pasta dishes or any questions, please let me know in the comments, or you can email me. I've had a couple of emails from viewers, and I'll do my best to respond and fulfill everyone's questions or requests. Okay, so the base of today's dish is a Napoli sauce. So we'll go through the Napoli sauce, and we'll be using the exact sauce going forward when we make other dishes with the Napoli sauce base. So that way we won't have to go through making the sauce every time. Alright, so that's the beauty of pasta. You have either a basic tomato sauce, you have a meat sauce. So when we make one with the meat sauce, we'll go through that, and we'll be either one. Okay, we'll go through all the ingredients. All the ingredients will be in the description. Okay guys, this is everything we need. Have our onion, nice size onion, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, pecorino romano, our nice recati there, pennone, recati, some olive oil, some nice passata, some salt and pepper, spring onions, chicken breast, some cream, full cream or light, some mushrooms, there's our red pepper, and that's basically all we need. And now we'll get stuck into making the sauce and the preparation. Good amount of olive oil. Don't be shy. Put in the onion and garlic. Okay, it's been a good 5 minutes. Looking perfect. And put in a bottle of Passata. So we'll get this to the simmer. Leave it for a good 20 to 30 minutes. Check it for salt and pepper, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, we start the preparation for the ingredients. Chicken breast. We're basically just giving it a dice. Very simple. Mushies, not too thin, not too thick. Next is the capsicum, cut it in half. De-seed it. In the middle, and we're just doing it a coarse chop. Lastly, we do some spring onions. So we'll do the chicken separate to the mushies and the peppers. Medium heat. At this point we put it aside. Chicken's done. Same pan, put in some mushies. Onions. Okay guys, at this point we get a bigger pan, we put in the chicken breast, we put in the mushrooms, we put in the peppers and everything else that we've cooked. Bear in mind that they're already cooked, so they just need to be heated through. The other thing is, in the background, we have the pasta which we prepared earlier. Once you've heated those up, then we just add the sauce and the cream, get this to a nice temperature. Now we add the pasta, just start to combine it, put it through, heat it through, and it'll be ready for the cheese. Once the cheese goes in, give it a nice toss through, stir through, and it's ready to serve up. Looking great. Okay guys, the all-important taste test. This is going to be sensational. We've got that beautiful chicken breast, the beautiful sweet peppers, the mushrooms, that pink sauce is just sensational. Make sure you enjoy this one guys. Let me know if you have any requests. Enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my recipes. Thank you.